Welcome to the Monarch U.S. History 2 Civics and Economics Screencast. I am Maureen Nolan, Monarch Social Studies teacher. TA stands for Teacher Advisory, and its purpose is to build a relationship with a small group of students. There are 13 students in my TA this year. This is the year-long overview for the U.S. History 2 Civics and Economics course. This course is a hybrid course. It is a combination of the second part of U.S. History and the Virginia Civics and Economics course. There is an SOL at the end of the course. Students will respect themselves, their classmates, and the teacher. They will come to class each and every day with a charged iPad that will be used as a learning tool. If your student is absent, they should check the announcement in Canvas. After checking the announcement, they should complete the work if possible. If this is not possible, they will complete the work when they return to school. Students are graded on student academic achievement, not student behavior. Grades will be calculated using a point system. This is a snapshot of Canvas, the new learning management system adopted by APS. These screenshots illustrate what your student sees. The home page serves as the base, and students can navigate from that page by using the selections in the left-hand margin. Ask your student for his or her login so that you can see what the course looks like. Thanks for listening. Please contact me at maureen.nolan@apsva.us if you have any questions or comments.